In front of me is Nokia 3210, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by opening menu and going into Clock app. Now select New Alarm at the top and adjust it. First of all, set up an hour. Then hit repeat and pick days of the week. Go back thanks to this right button. Label your alarm however you want to. Select alarm tone to pick one of those ringtones. Or click on Choose from Music and select one of your songs from your smartphone. Then select Snooze Time to decide how many minutes it will take, and go back to Set Time section to hit Save, and this way save your alarm. As you can see, after that, mine was successfully created. To turn it off or on, hit middle button. To edit it, click on the left one, choose Edit and change whatever you want to. Then tap on middle button again. To get rid of it though, click on left button, choose Delete and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!